Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after losing a horizontal line of support above the 0.1 mark, where we flipped that key area back into resistance. And at the time of this recording, we are holding above the 0.081189, which is the next horizontal line of support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a negative structure that is playing out over here from the highs we made above the 0.13226. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.132, I have been observing a negative structure where we have these as the formation of that wave 1 to the lower side. So I have these as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of this wave 2. Now we'll be showing you that the wave 2 did the minimums, and having seen the formation of that wave 2, I have been expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 3, then expecting a wave 4, and then finally see the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side before we can start another reversal to the upper side over here. And to just show you that the second wave did the minimums, I can connect the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, and you can see that we saw a bounce into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, an area that gave us a rejection to the lower side, starting the formation of that wave 3 to the lower side. And the target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 2. And the first target area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1, and that was above the 0.08789, an area that you can see we fully maximized. And in case we continue breaking down, then we can pay attention to the fib level 1.618 as our next target area in the formation of that wave 3. But there's a very high chance that this low over here is the low for this wave 3, and the bounce that we got over the weekend was the formation of that wave 4 to the upper side. And having seen the formation of the wave 3 and the wave 4, there is a very high chance that whatever is unfolding at the time of this recording is the final phase of this 5-wave structure in the formation of that wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by extending the fib extension to the low that we have in the formation of this wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06. So that means that in case we continue breaking down in the next coming hours, and maybe at some point Kaspa loses our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping it back into support, maybe with a retest, and maybe at some point we also lose the significant low that we made on the 31st of May, then there's a very high chance that we are going to get a massive sell-off over here in a move that can easily maximize the 0.06 in the next coming hours, finishing off that 5-wave structure to the lower side. And then from that point, we can start observing a reversal to the upper side that can easily give us a break above the swing high we made above the 0.132 in the next coming days. So for now, I'm only focusing on lower prices, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.